Friends, I will tell you today the blue-footed booby, scientifically known as Sula nebouxii, is a marine bird that inhabits the subtropical and tropical regions of the eastern Pacific Ocean. Within the genus Sula, which includes 6 species commonly referred to as boobies, this bird stands out with its vibrant blue feet. These feet are a result of their specialized diet and serve as a sexually selected trait. During the mating ritual, males exhibit their feet by lifting them up and down while strutting before the female. Notably, the female blue-footed booby is slightly larger than the male, reaching lengths of up to 90 centimeters, 35 in, and sporting a wingspan of approximately 1.5 meters, 5 feet. Friends, if you like the video, like and comment, subscribe and stay by my channel. Thank you.